I'm here to talk about one of my favorite subjects, that being RVing. And I've just come across one of the coolest devices I've ever encountered that allows you to evaluate the state of your trailer lights, your camper lights, whatever. We have tail lights. Hey, that's not bad. Hey, Howard here at 82 Maple, and I'm standing on the first acreage that Coral and I ever owned together, and it now belongs to son Jordan. But hey, we're not here to talk about acreage, but there is an episode coming up on that, so stay tuned. I'm here to talk about one of my favorite subjects, that being RVing, and we're looking at the back end of the little Lance 1172, the beast as we call it, that sits on the back of our Ford F-350 dually. And I've just come across one of the coolest devices I've ever encountered. It's this, and it's a wonderful, wonderful little light testing system that allows you to evaluate the state of your trailer lights, your camper lights, whatever, anything with a 7-pin, 6, 5, 4-pin, something like that. It's got a mess of adapters that come with it. Before you actually back up with the vehicle under some sort of a timeline after you promise the family, hey, we're hitting the road at 8 o'clock in the morning, and then you spend 3-4 hours. Hey, I'm talking from experience. I'm talking from personal pain, wrestling with lighting systems that one didn't know were malfunctioning. And so this is the little device right here out of the box. You throw a motorcycle battery in it. I've got the instruction book over there. You make sure the battery's charged. It comes with a charger. And then you just go to work. So let's go to work. Too much fun. Okay, here's with advance apologies. I'm working in low light conditions today, but hang in here with me. I've just connected the 7-pin prong from the Lance 1172 camper into the box directly. It's wired for a 7-pin. And then it comes with an adapter if you have something different than that. So let's get at it. We're going down into the bowels of the beast here. And here we are. And so even though my switch is on the off position, this red light is indicating that I have a battery on board and it's feeding back a current. Here's why this is important. If you have a tow vehicle, you want it, or at least I want it, to be charging the trailer or camper batteries while you drive. What makes more sense than that? So this light confirms that in fact we have a signal feeding back into here from the unit. In this case, the Lance 1172 camper. So now let's capture the results. We have tail lights. Hey, that's not bad. We have a left turn signal. Tick, 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 just like a metronome when I used to practice my piano lessons when I was a kid. Okay, and we have the brake lights. Doesn't get any better than that. Let's do a right turn. Oh, the metronome again. Okay, we're gonna skip past the electric brakes there because of course this sits on the back of a truck, and the 12-volt auxiliary is already tested by that red light coming on at the beginning. So we're gonna go clear down here to this, which if your eyes are like mine, you're struggling to read in low light, it's the backup lights. And there we go. We've got the situation covered. You know what? My dad, who worked very, very hard to give his children great experiences and a whole range of them, I remember him coming off long shifts in the forest industry in this province and going to hook up that rental trailer and finding that he had to spend 2 or 3 hours doing something that the rental company should have done. And, you know, as kids, we were fine to just be hanging out with our dad. But you know what? He wanted us to enjoy a great experience. He wanted to be on the road. And it was just so hard to see him struggling with challenges as he tried to create those experiences. And some of the challenges I remember were trailer wiring systems. Again, he would have just thought he had died and gone to heaven to have something like this little magic box. I'll throw a link in down below. You can pop it out through Amazon, US or Canada. And I'm just stoked to be able to share this with you. I hope it creates a better experience for you and your family. Hey, travel safely. Enjoy the journey. Thanks for being part of mine.